Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the ice dispenser arm in the freezer door, be sure to unplug the power cord. First, pull out the drip tray. Now insert a putty knife behind the bottom of the dispenser facade and push the facade down while using the putty knife to pull the facade outward. Note the orientation of the dispenser panel switch wires, then disconnect them from the switch. Now remove the screw securing the light and switch housing. Depress the tabs to release the housing, and use tape to hold it out of the way. Remove the screw to release the strain relief and retainer. Now depress the tabs on the top of the ice guide and lift the guide out. Detach and remove the delay mechanism. Open the chute door and pull the old dispenser arm out of the housing. You're now ready to install the new ice dispenser arm. Open the chute door, position the new arm around the door, and insert the left pin into the hole in the housing and the right pin into the slot. Slide the delay mechanism onto the door closer arm and snap it into place on the housing. Reinstall the ice guide by inserting the lower tab into the dispenser arm, then rotate the guide up and snap in the upper tabs. Realign the strain relief and retainer on the pin. Replace the screw to secure. Remove the tape and snap the light and switch housing into position. Secure it with the screw. Reconnect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the dispenser switch. Align the top of the dispenser facade on the top edge of the housing, then snap it into place. Replace the drip tray. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the new ice dispenser arm works properly. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.